In this video, we will show you how to install a fog light bezel on your Subaru Impreza. To remove the fog light cover, we're going to push this little clip down with a pick tool, then we're going to use another one to pull it out. Pull that down, and then just pull it out. To remove the fog light bezel, grab the inside and just pull straight out. To install your new fog light bezel, line all of the tabs up and give it a nice push. To install your fog light cover, there's a little groove in this top. You're going to want to line this up with that and then just push in. And make sure that clip returns up. You can use a little pry tool to help it along. Just like that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.